E tere nei taku awa, aha, para, tuki ana mai, ki te moana nui a kiu ana, a motu nui. O ki mai au, ki waku papatipu, nei rai tako toa ke nei. Haere tonu atu ai ki runga o kokotaiki, ke mihi kau atu au ia wahau ana, ke taumata kori, ke poko hinu. Huri haere mai, ki e nei moana e tako toa ke nei, o mātou pātaka kai e nei. Nei rā te ui, a rūtāia e noho ake nei e pāna ki ngā whenua, e whakamahi ana te rā nei.
This was a different place when we grew up as children through the 1960s and 70s. We had full employment. We had a school roll of about 100 of us that all went to school together. Because of the decline in all the population, when whānau have left home to find work, our school is actually up for closure.
We had all the kumara that our nan used to grow right along the homestead over there, but there was kai from the ngahere as well. It was always rich here. Te reo was strong here as well.
The land was always full of kai, and when we had big occasions at the marae, everyone would bring the kai for the occasion. It wasn't just you had to go and buy it, it was everybody.
Te kuchi hipi, te krachi nā hipi, te tuku nā uri, ka ngaro te mana oro te tau a kaupapara, ka whakamutua te rā mai. Nā, ka tahuri ki te kimi he oranga mo te iwi, ke kore e te tangata, e rere ki tā wahi, e rere ki ākarana, hoki mai. A hoki mai ko nā moko puna, ke tūai, ke koe nā marae o mātou marae e tūtahanga.
We've lost the development, we've lost all of the jobs. So we've sat down for each of our land blocks and started mapping out with the individual owners their aspirations for that particular individual land block. We've done that on that land block, then gone to this land block, and we're doing it with this land block. And the interesting thing is that they're all coming up with the same aspirations and the same challenges, the biggest challenge of which is ourselves. So one of the things that we've been doing that's been shifting that is the intensive 4-month governance and leadership development program that we're running at the school. It's been hugely encouraging to watch whānau work together and figure out how to actually move all of these things forward.
So that if our whānau are strong and healthy, so is our hapu. And if that's so, if our hapu are strong and vibrant, so will our iwi, and so will the whole of the community.
The scientists have been telling us for a number of years now that where we have these sheltered hills, we have these highly fertile soils, creates the best growing climate for high value crops. We've formed a relationship with the head of Zespri, and he's been encouraging to us and saying, I think what you guys are doing is hugely exciting. Get started. And that's what we're doing. One of the things that we've just done is install high-speed Wi-Fi broadband on our hills here just in behind us at Omao. And we'll use that technology to drive forward our kaupapa over the next 20 years. And so we create the benefit, we recycle the benefit back into our own whānau, into our own land. To me, that is tino rangatiratanga in practice.
Ana, matakaha o te mahi, roto I te mātauranga, ka whakawhiwhia. Tō ia mai te pai tawhisi kia tata mai. Whakamaua te pai tata, kia China, ne e China te rāne. Te reira, o taina nahi nei, o nā mahi o nehera, kia nae nei. Hea te kaupa, hai hari mā tātou I nā rāe tua kene. Kia ora tātou.